want to notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around me.
Hi, do you mind telling me your name, your department, and which college you're from?
My name is Shouchiko Thapurta. I'm from Presidency University, Economics Department.
Okay. So how has your journey been so far at your university?
My journey in my university has been spectacular till now. I've been to many other universities as well. For example, I'm in Jadavpur University right now. So one thing I just want to tell you that Presi is Presi, so there's no comparison.
Oh my god, are we witnessing intercollegiate beef right now? Are we?
There's nothing about the beef because after all, we're all brothers and sisters as well. It's just that few people have some political organizations and other agendas. That's why they have this college versus college beef. I don't view it as that because I have a lot of friends from my school batch or in other colleges right now. But whenever we meet up, we talk about the old memories. We never talk about the rivalries in the colleges. So it's a totally man-made thing.
Okay. That's great to know, honestly, because right now we're at YESM. Do you mind telling me the full form of it so that the viewers know? YESM. Okay, so it's Young Economics Students Meet. We're at Jadavpur University. This is organized by the Economics Department of this university. I think it's a flagship event of the Economics Department, I'm not sure. So we have many students coming in from different universities and colleges taking part in the wide array of events that that are here. So, sir, do you mind telling me what you plan to do after you're done with your degree? Your future plans, your ambitions, your goals.
Undergraduate.
Yeah.
After this, I'm planning to go for higher studies. That's only a plan because we never know what the future holds.
So, like higher studies, have you decided on which field? Like, you want to do an MBA, an MSc in economics? What does it look like?
See, it's too early to answer that. Right now, I would not rule out any possibility. I have considered sitting for MBA. That's a very long journey. We'll cross the bridge when we come to it. It's better not to talk about all those things. Because right now we have a lot of pending assignments. Bangla बोलते गए हमारे माथा खराब हो जाता है शेड्यूल करते करते so I don't think it's the appropriate time to discuss what we are going to do after 4 years.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with that. One good thing that I like about students my age, I'm obviously the same age as you, is that we're still exploring, we're still trying to figure out what we want to do in our lives. I think that's much better than already having like a fixed mindset and then going towards. It's always good to plan, for sure. What's your take on this? Do you wish that you could be a bit more prepared, a bit more planned about your future? Or do you like this exploring aspect of your future?
Well, it's sometimes good to be Dora the Explorer, but not always. And this is not only about academics, it's from all aspects I'm talking about. But since you're telling me about this thing right now, some people have this mindset that they want to do a particular thing in life and they'll cross any barrier that comes their way. That's a really good mindset. However, life is like a box of chocolates. We never really know what to expect. But there's one thing that whichever chocolate comes up to us, we need to relish it. So I don't like today I'm studying in one of the best universities in India right now. And I might say I'm privileged, but 4 years down the line, I never know where I will be, where we will be, where all of us will be. So I hope we all are in a good place at that time. Even if you are not, I'm pretty sure we would figure out something.
Wow, I like how you're optimistic about your future. Okay, so do you mind telling me how do you budget your expenses? It's a bit, I understand it's an off-track topic, but
It's a nice question.
yeah, because we students, we have a lot of things that we need to pay for. Mainly transport, because that is something that I spend a lot on. Then there's food. You can't really stop the Maggie craving sometimes, even if you have your tiffin. So how do you budget your expenses?
As I mentioned, I'm studying economics, and economics can be broken down into one word, economy, which means money. So I try to optimize whatever I have. By optimize, I'm not referring to utilizing it to the maximum. It's like if I have 10 rupees, I would ensure that the 10 rupees is entirely spent but on useful things. However, whenever it comes to food or transportation, I try to minimalize as much as possible. For example, sometimes I prefer to walk my way to the station instead of going on a bus or an auto. Even though it saves 10 rupees of mine, I just prefer to not use up that money. I could later use up that money to buy a packet of chips because I have cravings at times. So, yeah. But when it comes to food, usually when it's the college canteen, I try to buy something less expensive and something that is readily available because we have very less gap between the classes.
Yeah.
However, me being a foodie, when I'm off campus, when I want to order something for myself, I don't, what do you say? I don't differentiate between those things.
Wow. So I've taken a lot of your time. Thank you so much for that. See you soon.